Welcome to Cadentube Adventures! Hi YouTube, today we're opening little starter kit.
It's our Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit. And it says, transform your tablet into an early learning tool, ages 3 to 5. And you need an iPad to go with to start. All right, let's get it out the box. You getting it out the box?
Yes.
Okay, so we got it out the box. And then this looks like it has the little
There's the other one.
little strips.
There's the other one too.
Okay. Open this one. This one says costume play. And then this one says the ABCs. And then this is the little station piece. Okay, so hit play.
Time to create and play.
So time to create and
Put
play.
that down on the table.
Okay, so we set it down.
There it is.
Hold on, leave it. Let's see what it does.
Can you clear the playmat and create a face that looks happy?
With these, gotta use the ABCs to make a face that looks happy.
But
When you're done, tap the check button. Three, two, one.
Whoa! It made it on there! What do you think?
hey,
Whoa! Wow!
a cat.
They need a friend. Tap the plus button.
Tap the plus button.
Can you clear the playmat and create a robot's head?
Create a robot head. Can you create a robot head?
Yeah. It's way more easier.
That is neat.
Yeah. Just like it. But not yet. No way. No way I can make this. I can make this with two. This will
Yep, you can make it however you like. You just gotta keep it on the mat. So I'd keep it like this way. And this way, and this way. You need to put the eyeballs.
I
You need to put the eyeballs.
I'm gonna use these. Yeah. Yeah. So good. Yeah. One eye. This eye. This looks exactly like it. But not yet. I'm gonna add two sides.
Okay, you gonna press the check mark?
No, not yet.
Wow.
This does look just like it.
Just like it. Wait, hold on, hold on.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
It made a robot.
Whoa, do you see it?
Uh-huh.
It made it just on the screen. Oh, that's so awesome. Okay, let's see what else it asks you to do. Look at its head. It has your head. It has the head you made.
Keep making friends. Can you clear the playmat and create a bear's face?
That is awesome.
That is awesome. I think I could create a bear.
Think you could create a bear's face?
Create bear faces. I can do it. Does it look just like it?
That does. That's cool how it comes to life on the screen.
Then I'll figure this one. It looks just like it. It makes that. It looks like a claw.
That looks just like yours, the one you made.
That's a frog.
That's awesome. It made a frog. Is that funny?
Yeah.
Oh look, now you got another place. You unchecked.
It says water.
Can you create a fish? Do you think you can create a fish?
Yeah.
There's like these ones too, like the little.
I can use this. Then also we have to go like this.
Yep, you could create your fish however you'd like. Okay, you gonna hit it?
3, 2, 1.
This.
Oh wow! Oh, because it took this and this. It made you like a long swimmy fish.
It made it like this. So, because it snapped apart like that.
Okay, let's go back to the house part and see if we can play with the other pieces. Look at your pieces! Look at all your pieces right there you made. That is so cute. Okay, here we go. Okay, hold on. Continue. Okay. Let's see. It says, do you have costume pieces? And you do, yes. Yes, we do. Okay, hold on. You gotta wait to see what it says. Okay. Okay, hit play. Play. Costume party. Here we go.
I don't have red.
Are you excited?
So red and blue.
Okay.
Place your character board down there.
Whoa, he popped up.
What the?
To dress up for a party.
He wants to dress up. So you have all this stuff right here. Oh, look. Okay, look, you gotta find the pants. Look, right here. Did you put these on him? Look, put his pants. Is that how you do it? Wow, that's cool.
Then you have to do his hair. What can I do with his hair? We should switch it for these pants. Actually, I want to switch it for unswap. This.
You put in here?
Uh-huh.
Whoa!
I think I should change the hair. I think I should change the hair of this. Either this or
What do you think so far?
this.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. Here we go.
Hi there. Mo the monster here.
Okay.
It's
Try again,
so
okay?
great to see you. One of my favorite things is to take pictures. I collect photos of everything that I've seen in my travels. Help to make my photos even
Are you excited?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
To start, place the playmat down there.
Okay, we already have the play mat ready to go.
Here's a photo I took.
So that's the photo he took.
Can you see the magic letter on the photo? Here's where you come in. Tap on this letter. This is the letter T. Let's make some magic.
Okay, you gotta make the T.
Use your sticks and rings on the mat to make the letter. Keep the letter
Perfect.
inside the red line. It's
Perfect.
important for making the
Like that.
magic work.
You ready? Let's see.
When you're done making the letter, tap here.
Okay, you gotta tap.
Okay.
Okay, keep
Now
your hands in there. Keep your hands in there.
Keep your hands away from the plate.
Whoa!
Just like I thought it would.
There's your T.
That's my TNA.
Uh-huh.
Create something up here. You have to create it down there on the playmat. Now, let me show you a trick. On the count of three, say abracadabra. Ready? 1, 2,
Abracadabra.
Whoa!
What did it
Wow,
say?
you did it.
It'll say tree.
You made a word appear.
You made a word.
3?
Tree.
T is for tree. What if we turn this word into a picture? Can you clear the play button and create a tree?
You gonna create a tree?
Here's one way you can create it. Use
Whoa!
sticks and rings on the play mat to make a picture.
Make a picture.
Remember to keep it inside the red lines for the magic to work. When you're done making the picture, tap here.
Okay, you have to keep it in the lines. You gotta bring it up like right here, bring it up right here, and bring that tree up right there. You just gotta keep it in the red. Whoops. I think you need one more right here, right? To make the tree. Oh, you gotta put the little purple ones inside.
Okay.
Perfect.
Work my magic. Stand back and cross your fingers. Wow, that looks fun. Now, for my final trick. From a magic letter to a magic picture. Stupendous.
Wow.
Remember, you can use letters to make magic happen. Ready for more?
You keep
Let's
making
go to
more.
my travel book. Which photo do you want to do?
Which photo do you want to do? You have to pick which one. Good choice. I like that one
One
too.
of my favorites. I like building sandcastles at the beach. The sand in my fur tickles.
Tickles.
Tap on one of the magic letters.
That's easy.
Letter B.
This, like
Can you
that.
make this letter?
I can make that easily.
When you're done
This.
making the letter, tap here. Okay.
They look the
Perfect.
same. Those look the same.
And,
Nice. It looks exactly.
okay, be ready.
Be ready.
Abracadabra!
Boom. Whoa. There's your bee.
Your creation!
B and B.
What
B,
an
B,
amazing
B,
show!
B,
I'm
B,
so proud of you.
B,
You're happy with
B,
the letter?
B.
Tap here.
Bye, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye.